Today, we are painting some cool art with balls. We have water paint in different colors for lots of fun. Are you ready to learn painting with Asher?
Yeah! But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo! Whoa! Today we are going painting.
Balls!
And we have this different balls to do the art and these colors. What colors do we have?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Yes, and then we have the pages over here.
And we have a paper here, and with the balls and they move around.
Are you ready to paint some new art?
Yeah!
All right, let's start. All right, so you're gonna get the balls?
Yeah. Let's drop some balls.
Drop it in there.
Whoa! Whoa! So many color balls.
Take all the other balls out. All right, so we have the balls in that little basket. And which one you're gonna use first?
Orange.
Orange, all right, let's use the orange ball. And what color are you gonna use first?
Orange.
Orange, all right.
Orange.
Okay, so let's put some orange little paint around the paper.
This on the side?
Easy. That's it.
Let's close it.
Close it. Now move the ball around. Ooh. Nice. Keep moving it around. Nice. Okay, I think that's good. Take that one out. Take it out. Take the ball out. And put it in the basket. All right, let's get the yellow ball. Let's get the yellow ball. All right, and let's do some yellow.
Nope.
And let's put some yellow on the ball. All right, that's good. Move it around. And move it over the paint right here. Put it over the paint over there. Now let's do the spiky ball.
The green spiky ball.
Yeah.
Do some green.
You doing some green?
Yeah.
Ew.
Oh, green.
Now move it around.
Wait, I can close this. Oh, the green space. That green space still.
All right, let's put that one on the basket.
Let's do red. Let's do the ripple. Oh, it's green. It's green. It was green on it. Let's put some red. Right there.
Nice. Take the ball out. Pooh. That's good with red. Put it in the basket.
Purple. Let's use purple.
Purple.
I'm trying to clean it. Oh,
Move it around. Ooh, I like the purple. It looks so nice.
to the red one? To the red? I should stay right there.
Move it around. Looks so good. It's coming out nice. Whoa. I like this art.
Can I put more purple inside?
You want to put more purple in?
Yeah.
To this side over here.
Oh, to the orange?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay there. He's gonna
Yeah, move it around. Move it around.
Can I stay at it?
Nice. It's coming out nice.
It's getting so sticky and sticky. It's getting so sticky and sticky. It's getting so sticky and
Whoa.
sticky. It's getting so. Can I put it in the basket?
Yeah, put it in the basket. And now let's do the green ball. Yeah, that one. And let's do blue. That's the last color.
Blue.
Yeah. All right.
Ooh. Oh, that's it, Daddy. I'm gonna squeeze it. Can I squeeze it?
Move it around.
I want to squeeze more blue.
All right, go ahead. All right, that's good. That's a lot.
I want to put more.
All right, go.
Okay, that's it. That's too much.
All right, move it around. Whoa, let's see the blue. Ooh, move it around.
To the purple one?
Yeah. And move it to this side, down here. We need paint down here. Yes, move it down there. Yeah, move it around down there. Ooh, nice. And move it around on this side right here. Bring it over here. Nice. And bring it over to the green over there.
Oh, the green one.
Yeah. Whoa, so cool. I really like it. I really like it.
Can I put it in the basket?
Yeah. And now the last thing we're gonna do, you're gonna put your hand like that. Boom. Boom. And then put it over there, over here. Put it over there. That's it. Boom. Yeah. Let me see your hand. Let me see. Yeah. So cool. You like your paint? Let me see. Ooh, look at that. That looks beautiful. You like it?
Yeah.
Nice. That was fun.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Bye.